Hi, this is Kyron from Rounded Cube Team 18183, and today I'll show you a simple refraction experiment so you can impress your friends. For this experiment, we will need one glass container, some water, a marker, and a piece of paper. Step 1. Draw two arrows facing the same direction on the paper. Step 2. Place the empty glass in front of the arrows. Step 3. Pour some water into the glass. As you can see, the direction of the bottom arrow has changed. Now I'll pour some more water so we can see if the second arrow will also change. Notice how both arrows have changed their direction. This inverted arrow effect is due to the principle of refraction. Refraction is the bending of light that occurs when it travels from one medium to another, like air, water, and glass. During the experiment, the light traveled from the image of the arrow through the air, then bent slightly as it traveled through the glass cup into the water, and finally once it went out of the glass cup and into the air before it reached our eyes. Because the glass bent the light and our eye is past the focal point where the light from the arrow crossed, we see the image of the arrow inverted.